Hi, hello, welcome. Uh, in the previous session, we were discussing about the unification of Italy. So, the revolutionary uprisings in Italy between 1831 to 1848, they got failed. They totally failed. So, the revolution thereafter, it was mainly picked up, led by the Sardinia and Piedmont under the ruler King Victor Emmanuel II. So from the Italy, all the ruling elites, I told, the people with high social positions they are identified as aristocratic. So all the ruling elites in Italian states, they believed that the political dominance over the region was only possible through, it can be possible or it should be made possible only with the process of unification of Italy. So then in the beginning, in the earlier stages of unification of Italy, so Italy mainly witnessed for various different problems. They are mainly witnessed or dominated in Italy, so that Italy faced a problem for its unification. So the problems were Pope received papal states. Papal state means the reason or the office of the Pope. Then the king of Sardinia got back his kingdom of Piedmont and the island of Sardinia. Then the Spanish king recovered the kingdom of Naples and Sicily. Then Austria annexed Lombardy and Venetia to her empire. Then Austria dominated all the rulers of Italian peninsula. So these are the early problems faced by Italy before its unification. Then the unification of Italy, it was mainly a difficult task. The task was made possible towards success with the involvement of three different people. So they are Count Cavour, then Giuseppe Mazzini, then Garibaldi. So in today's session, we are discussing about the person, one who took a prominent part in the unification of Italy, that is rule of Giuseppe Mazzini 1805 to 1872. So he was described or he was identified as soul, or because of his efficiency, or because of his way of thinking, because of his mastery over taking the decisions and the other reasons, he was mainly identified as the soul of the unification of Italy. Then Giuseppe Mazzini, he was born in Genoa, which was under the control of Piedmont. So from the beginning, from the early days of Giuseppe Mazzini, his life, he was mainly a staunch follower or patriot, one who gave everything for the liberalization of his country. So means he was the patriot, one who always made his involvement to make his contribution towards the unification of his nation or liberalization of his nation. Then during first two Carbonari revolts between 1821 and 1830, means from the early days of his life, he took prominent part or participation in various revolutionaries or various revolts where he gave importance for liberalization or fights against the problems which were originated in his society. So during the early years of his life, between 1821 to 1830, he was taken part in two Carbonari revolts. There in the revolts, there in the events he was arrested. He was arrested and imprisoned, sentenced to jail in 1831. Then in the year 1831, after 1831, he was going to be released from the prison. Then after he, for the purpose, he went to the jail and made imprisonment or imprisoned. So after releasing from the jail, he with the other revolutionaries, he going to found an organization called Young Italy. So there may be a question which may be asked for 1 mark in terms of multiple choice questions, or in terms of fill in the blanks, or directly you to answer for the question, who is the founder of or who founded the organization Young Italy, or Young Italy, the organization was founded by dash. So the answer is Giuseppe Mazzini. So the Young Italy movement was started to arise or to arouse the whole of Italy to create greater unity among the people. So the among the people, Young Italy and the organization, with the guidance and with the motivational speeches and organizational setup or work made by Giuseppe Mazzini. So the strong followers of Giuseppe Mazzini, they went with motivating people for creating the idea of liberty or idea of independence. Then a greater unity was created by Young Italy, and the followers are the workers of Young Italy. Then through the organization, he declared that the need of the hour, Italy is struggling, or Young Italy, an organization is fighting to self-sacrifice ourselves for making or for achieving complete independence, liberty for Italy. Moreover, the unification of Italy was given importance by the Giuseppe Mazzini. So before this, we already came across about the role of Giuseppe Mazzini in the previous discussions. So the role of